Here's how to set up your CupFone Two View with extension for both portrait and landscape modes. CupFone Two View with extension comes with multiple base cups to perfectly fit your cup holder. Ensure that only one opening on the bottom is visible at a time. To separate your base cups, align the separator tool with the hole on the bottom of each cup. Push down on the tool to pop each cup until you find the right fit. Insert CupFone Two View with extension into your cup holder and rotate to the desired position. To view your phone in portrait mode, loosen knob 1 or 2. Slide the holder until the width fits your upright phone. Then tighten the knob. To view your phone in landscape mode, loosen both knobs 1 and 2. Slide the holders until the width fits your horizontal phone. Tighten the knobs. Adjust the tilt with knob 3. To view in extended mode, loosen knobs 3 and 4 and pull the extension up to your preferred height. Adjust the extension arm and tilt of the phone holder to your optimal viewing angle. Then tighten knobs 3 and 4. And enjoy.